If you are being a decent citizen of your own life and you're laying down your best every day, then that is not subject to somebody else's approval or judgment, right? So your self-worth is not tied to somebody else approving of you, but it is tied to you approving of yourself in 6 months. That's where your accountability comes in. Do you notice the thread? Accountability seems to be a theme here, and not accountable to your spouse, accountable to yourself in 6 months. And if you can say, I'm a decent citizen of my own life and I'm accountable to myself, and I agree in 6 months that I'm doing my best right now, this is me, and I'm proud of myself, they don't call you to order anymore. They then have a choice to make. They're going to accept you the way you are, or they can take the keys and leave and go to a hotel. But when you're that assertive, all they can do is admire you for being so grounded, for being so, you know who you are. That's how it is to show up as an adult. Concentrate on doing the right thing, not doing the right thing because your priest said so, not the right thing because your government says so, but the right thing by you, what you think is the right thing. You do that, you'll be admired by many, especially your spouse.
Check the link in the first comment to get the Intentional Relationship course for free.